Well, good morning. It's the morning of Flite Fest. Packing up. I'm about to get out of here. It's like 6:50 in the morning. Welcome back, spotter. Taking off.
You need a timer?
I got one.
You put them on
The wind just kicked it around. I was trying as hard as I could. Yeah. Is there a red light flashing on the GoPro?
Yeah.
Oh no! Another plane hit it. Look at that.
Oh my god.
All right, so the rules are there are no rules, but we have some safety precautions we would like you to take. Please, please, please have a spotter so that the spotter can look out for your well-being while you look at your airplane and not the incoming. Now, I will say that this is full contact combat.
Full contact combat.
So you are fully committing to this. Do not expect it to come back in one piece.
All right, I'm going to give you guys about 30 seconds to line up in here. Let's try to stay as close to these AMA flags right here on each other side. You can come in here as well. And we're going to try to keep it as tight as possible with the amount of planes that we have. So I'm going to give you about 30 seconds, and then I'll give you the 5-6 second countdown.
Here, go a little bit
after
after everyone.
Ready in 5, 4, 3,
Yeah.
2, 1. There we go. We're up in the air.
All right.
There's the CUDA. Oh, there. Oh, wow, that was close to coming in hot. Love that. Oh, see, this is exactly what I love about this.
Oh,
Come on!
Whoa.
Dang. What is that? Is that extra goblin? Nice. All right, so let's bring it down about 30 feet and below. Let's bring it down low. Bring it 30 feet and below. Nice and low, tight. Let's try to keep it within the build tent and the store tent, right in this area, right about show central. Let's keep it somewhat centralized. Oh, he took it from him. He did the.
Oh, he took the ribbon from him.
The exchange. Look at that. He said
A ribbon transfer. Oh, I hit his ribbon.
I want the streamer for my own phone.
That's amazing.
Oh, the bloody Baron was like, it's just punk and drag. I don't want it. Oh, that was fantastic. All right. Well, now that we're playing past the streamer, looks like Lane is now the new target. Lane is now the new target. The wing with the one-sided streamer. You take him out. You get a prize. You take him out, you get a prize right now. Let's go.
He's far You gotta try to hit something.
Like a tree?
Anything.
Here we go.
Oh! Dang it!
And he's down.
You're so close. Oh.
Ooh.
Oh gosh, you're all over
Guy
him,
is
Andrew.
aggressive. The Bloody Wonder is aggressive. All right, this is what I want to do. I want you to gain some altitude. Okay, I want you to go about 80 or so odd feet, maybe even higher in the air. Okay, there's a good old trick up there. Get about 80 or so odd feet, right about where the F-22 is. Okay, right about where that F-22 is. Just circling up in that area. Okay, that's nice. Right about
Yeah,
where
my
that
battery's
is.
dead.
Get that height. And when I say go, this is my favorite type of deal. And when I say go, the first two planes to hit the ground win. They get a prize.
You got this. You got
You guys
this.
understand what I'm saying? So, I will give you the on my go. It's gonna come out of nowhere. Okay, when I say go, it's just you're gonna go straight to the ground. First one to get there, second one to get there. You guys get go.
Did I make it?
Gracious.
I don't know.
Oh man, that is a beautiful thing. F-22 and who the other? Whatever confetti plane laying over here on the right-hand side.
Yeah, that's you. That's you.
I beat him by like half a second. All I know is to the way right. Yeah, that was crazy. So with your wings in pieces over here to my right side, you're gonna come see me. F-22 Mastermind, you're gonna come see me.
Hey, that's me.
That's my man right here. Go grab your planes. Thanks everybody. Big round of applause. Big shout out to you guys. Well done. That was fantastic. Woo!
Just say,
bro.
Andrew.
Andrew, my dude, well played, dude. That was fantastic. You was
Man, I saw everyone going, and I was like, wait, but mine's more streamlined than
you're
them.
streamlined straight to the ground, dude.
That was awesome.
That was fantastic.
That was awesome.
Well played, my dude.
Thank you.
Great flying. Ha
Go pick up the pieces.
Woo! Let's see how this airplane turned out. It's not an airplane anymore.
It's a sacrifice. That's about all that's left. Oh my gosh, that thing is...
Oh my gosh, the receiver has completely uncased itself from anything.
Oh my gosh. Look at the imprint.
Oh my gosh, that is
Look, it
too
went,
good.
the whole nose went in.
That is too good.
Look at the hole. Can you see the hole?
Oh my gosh. Look, it has taken blades off. There's no blades left. Fly it till you die it.
Yeah, try to get all the pieces.
Yeah.
There's that is amazing.
That is too funny.
Dude, you came the closest to hitting.
I know.
With the ribbon.
I know for a fact my prop wash at least hit his ribbon because I saw it with my eyes. That was awesome.
All right. Good job. Seriously, that is some amazing commitment right there.
Thank you.
I think we can have it back up in about 15 minutes.
Yeah, 15, just a little bit of hot glue.
Rock on.
Nothing.
Oh my God.
Steph's on his way
You have
back.
my canopy.
Oh, is this yours?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. I was just trying to pick up the trash.
Yeah, there's nothing left of that.
Now I've gone 2 combats, so I have to prepare this and fly it in every combat this week.
That's awesome.
That would be a fantastic story.
Yeah, I don't think this one's going to make another combat. The funny thing was there was a hole
In the ground.
this, about this deep.
In this ground.
Yeah,
In this
yeah.
ground.
It was just there was just a hole. It was awesome.
What's the name of that plane?
Oh, I don't know. Someone gave, or I
Parts.
traded. I traded this plane for a big kit I had, so...
Oh, no, he just gave you this.
Oh, you're right. He
Yeah,
just
he
gave me the kit, and I put all the electron. I forget what it's called, but...
Like Lane lost his marbles.
Just gotta build a new plane.
Yeah.
PDF in it.
Oh, yeah.
All right. So first and foremost, Master Airscrew is actually our flight line sponsor for this event. So there's a couple things. There's some decals and
Oh, thank
stuff
you.
there
Yeah.
for you guys. You guys can put on your planes. They also gave us some props to give away.
Oh, nice.
This is one of their new 3-blade series, 8x6s. Their packaging is awesome. Their props are even better. To be honest with you, we love them. We've been using. This is one, obviously more giant version. This is what was on the Sea Duck, that big giant Sea Duck.
Oh, yeah.
So you guys can use that for whatever you need. Also, this is since you're willing to crash your own plane, free speed build kit. You can go in the tent and grab any one of the kits that you
Awesome.
want. Anyone,
Awesome.
the big one, small one, medium one, whatever, doesn't matter.
Thank
You
you.
can take that, you can go in, show that to Jen, and you can choose whichever one of those out of the.
This is awesome. Dude, any flight test plane will fly better than this piece of garbage.
Hey, enjoy those.
Thanks, man.
Fantastic. Thanks for exploding your plane.
All right, let's do it. Go ahead and fly as you.
Yeah, that was awesome.
All right, real quick, I want to thank.
People fly these. Once you get up to altitude, you can let go and just fly. That's cool. Yeah, but you flew vertically, didn't you? Haha.
There you go. There you go.
Wow. Dang. That is beautiful.
Being nice. That's beautiful.
Wow. That wind is keeping right there. That's nice. Uh-oh. Okay, that was not great.
Yeah, that was like a butter knife.
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna land.
You're gonna land?
Taking off!